I'm going to show you how to put together this Pterodactyl Dinosaur Cupcake Wrap. What I have in my hand here is the mini cupcake size. What I'm going to put together today on the video is going to be the standard cupcake size. And then there is also a jumbo or muffin cupcake size. And these are all in the file, and you can pick the size that you think you need. I would cut one first and test the size on your cupcakes before you cut out the quantity that you need. Now to start putting it together, we're going to have the 2 body pieces and 2 leg pieces. And I want to start off by putting these body pieces mirrored to each other. On this one, we're going to fold everything to the front, and on this one, we're going to fold everything to the front, and we're going to have mirrored versions. So, for this, we're going to start with these notches right at the top of the neck and at the bottom of the neck, and we're going to use those as a fold line. So we're going to fold from notch to notch, just like that. And then we're going to do the same with the tail, just fold from notch to notch, right at the tail. And then the wing is just going to fold downward like that, right at the edge. There's no notches on that one because it just folds right at that edge. Then we're going to do the same with the other one, except we're going to make sure that it's a mirrored version. So this one, the neck went this way, so on this one, the neck's going to go this way. And fold that in. Same with the tail. I'm just going to fold that in. And then same with the top of this wing, just fold it down. Okay, and then the mid body here, you're just going to take it and roll it around your finger, just gently. We want to kind of just curl it. You're not really folding it so much as you're just kind of getting it a curvature shape. And there you can see we have half of the body of the pterodactyl. We're going to do the same with this side, just gently kind of roll that body around until you have the other half. Now we're going to glue them together. They're going to get glued head to head and tail to tail, just like that. So I'm going to start off by putting some glue on the head. Make sure that there's plenty of glue right here at the base of the neck, because that's what really holds the wrap together. The rest of it, it's okay if you don't get glue on every single part. For the most part, you just want to line it up and it will be good. Okay, and then we're going to do the same on the tail. Add glue at the tail and then just line it up front to back. Make sure it's all good. Okay, there you go. That's where the cupcake's going to go in. You can see that. Now we just need to add the legs. These are the little legs, and they should be kind of towards the back, because a pterodactyl, the legs kind of like, you can look up a picture, they kind of like, you know, are out towards the back while he's flying. We're just going to put a tiny spot of glue right here at this end. So just a little bit. And just kind of stick that on the side, just like that. And then I'm going to do the other side. I want to make sure I get it pretty much in the same position as the other side. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. You might want to look from the top and from the side, kind of flip it back and forth. And there you go. This is all ready to put a cupcake in the top for your dinosaur party.